Hello, my champions. Today we're going to learn about four digit addition. Now, before we learn anything, math champions always try to know or find out why are we learning this. Okay? So, let me tell you why are we learning this. As we are, very young, we might be using only small numbers. But as we grow older, we will have to deal with bigger numbers because many things in this world are of the cost, like say thousands, right? Do you know how much your shirt costs? Maybe in hundreds. But do you know that many of your items in your house, like the TV, the mixie grinder, and many of your game sets, they cost thousands of rupees. Okay, and as such, when you're going to a shop and buying two or three things, which costs each thing costs say 1,000 or more than 1,000 and all, you will have to know how much is the total money that you have to pay to the shop, right? This is a very simple use of four digit addition in daily life. But there are many more important applications of four digit numbers. Like if you have seen the vehicle numbers, right? Usually they are having four digits in India at least. Okay. So yeah, four digits are so many places around yourself. So one of the things that I'll ask you to do is go find four digit numbers, right? Like the ones here, 3,413. Such kind of numbers, four digit numbers, where is it in your daily life? And find out that one and tell to your siblings or parents. That's going to be a fun activity. Okay? You will come to know how and where all math is used. So, coming to the topic, let's learn today the four digit addition, right? So, the first number we've taken is first you learn to read the number 3,413 and 1,216. Of course, we can, directly you're adding and all those things. But today I want you to understand how it comes. Okay? Now, I want you to show certain things. This is a 1. Okay? Many such ones, if you add, you will get a 10 like this. You want to know more about this, how it comes? There's one more video. Check it out that I have put. Okay? Then, then many such tens, like 10 such tens forms a hundred. This is a hundred. And many such hundred forms this thousand. Fine? So let's reduce the size of things for us to understand better. Okay, okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to represent this first number. This is 3,000, right? So we will need three such boxes, right? Because it's a 3,000, isn't it? So there's three such boxes. Then this is a 100, the green color. So it's a 400. We need four such things, right? So we have this 400. And then 13 means you just need 110 and three ones. And that's what we're trying to do. Okay, so the first number looks like this. Whenever you're doing of learning first, you have to know how the number looks. It's not this 3. This is not the way the number looks. Okay, this is not the way. Okay, so don't try to learn like that. 3,000 means 3. No, 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 that's not the way to learn. Okay, 3,000 means looks like this purple color. Okay. Now the next number is, and it's going to be addition, no? Addition means what? We bring in more things. We add, we increase, we put more, right? So 1,000 is again we are going to put. Okay. 200, that means two hundreds we are going to put. Then 16 means 1 and then 6 times this one, right? Okay. So there's a 4 there, sorry. There's a 4 there, 5 and a 6. Okay. Now, did you know that you can add it in different ways? You can start counting the purples first. You can do like that. It's not wrong. But then, sometimes it's very easy and better when we start doing it, starting from the smaller numbers. So when we adding together all of the small, ones, how many are there? They're going to be 9, right? So, and that's why we write a 9 here. That means we know it is 9 ones. And then, and then we are having two tens, right? So we're writing two tens. This is the tens place. Then hundreds, one, two, three, four, five, six, right? Six hundreds. Then how many thousands are there? One, two, three, four. 4 thousands. Remember, this is a thousands place, and that's why we wrote the thousand below the four below that. And hundreds, the green color hundreds is totally six. If you see here, see six are there. And the tens, how many tens are there? Tens means blue color rods. So these are blue color and they are two in number, and that's why I write that. And this is ones place. And how many ones are there? The yellow color ones, nine. And the total, because it's an addition, we count all of them together. And therefore, the addition answer is 4629. Did you get it? Okay, now we'll also go to our next another problem. This problem is about adding 1416 to 1934. So, before we start, we'll have to represent that using blocks, rods, flats, and cubes. We know that 1000 means it is this, right? 1000. And 400 means it is 4 like this, isn't it? 4 like this. Okay. Then 16. 16 means this is 110 and then 6 of this, right? 6 of this. 4 and 5, that you have a 6 there, right? Okay, so this makes the number. And whenever you are learning, always you should have anything that you're learning as an image in your mind. Okay, so this became 1416. So whenever you're starting anything new in mathematics, you should have an image for it and learn using that. If you're not having it, try to learn from people who are teaching you with that. It's called concrete pictorial and abstract method. Very important. Okay, the next number is 1000. Okay, so this is a 1000 and 900s are there, right? 900s are there. So, okay, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, and nine. Okay, nine. Forget 9, okay, and then 34. So 30 and let's take one more, 30 and 4. Okay, 34. So 30 and a 4. Okay, as I told you, of course you can start adding from 1,000, 2,000, and things like that. 1,000, and then you can start adding the hundreds. And I'm not saying no, you can't do that, but sometimes it is simpler, is it is easier. Why? I'll show you. Because when you start this adding from the ones, that is the yellow color, what we are going to do, we're going to take this entire this 4 and join it. Sorry, okay, and you're going to join it here. Did you see that this entire thing is looking like this rod? That means all the ones have joined together. Now there is no ones. It looks like a rod. It was become a rod. Getting the point? So this 6 and 1 has joined to become a rod. And there are no ones at all. There is only a rod. So this is a ones place, right? There is no ones. But in the tens place, tens means it's a rod. Now it has become an extra rod. Of course, see here the one blue color is there. Then three means this three blue color down it is there. Now this extra orange color one rod, where will we put that? We will put that here. And there is no ones, that's why here it is a zero. Match champions always try to understand how things are happening, not just taking up by somebody saying carrying over. No, how it is happening, why it is happening like that. Match champions always ask such questions, try to find out and learn. Okay, so now this being the case, now we finished doing adding the orange color ones. Now we will try to add the all the tens. Adding means what? Bringing it all together. So we brought it all together. What happens? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rods are there. If you see here, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 rods are there. We finished adding that also. Now, it now is a term of the hundreds, right? So, okay, let us. Okay, so when we put all this together, okay, all then how many hundreds are there? The nine hundreds are there, right? Nine hundreds are there, correct? Nine hundreds are there. And we are going to take one of the hundreds here and put it here. Okay, we are joining all of them together, of course. Okay, we're joining all of them together. What is happening? What is happening is this 10 such hundreds together form this kind of a cube. Okay, so what are we going to do? We're going to merge all of this. When we merge all of this, you will see that, see, if you merge all of this, it will look like this. So we are going to remove all of this. Instead of this, we are going to bring one cube. Okay, we are going to remove all of this and bring one cube, because 10 flats like that joined together gives you one cube, right? 10 cubes, so 10 flats. Okay, 10 flats went away and became this cube. Okay, now what, how many flats, how many hundreds are left over? It is only 3. 3 flats are left here. But previously there was one cube and one cube, 1,000 from the first number, 1,000 from the second number. But now there is also one more 1,000. That where will we write? We will write here, because that's again a thousands place. This is hundreds place. So one from the first number, another 1,000 from the second number. This 1,000 has come from joining all these flats. So totally it becomes a 3,000. So finally, if you See what happens? Finally, if you see, this is a 3000, this is a 300, sorry, 300, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this can be written as 3000 plus 300 plus 50. All of this together becomes the answer. We have joined, added, brought things together and got this answer, right? See you until the next video. Bye bye.